It's time to replace the headlights on the Transit. Unfortunately, anybody that's seen a previous video will see that I did try and clean them. It hasn't worked. The only option I now have is to replace them. Unfortunately, I couldn't afford to get the genuine Ford items, so I have had to go for a replica Chinese market, but they look quite good. However, I do need to swap over some hardware. I'll have to take one headlight out at a time because I have to work outside. I don't have a workshop, and we just put it in the van and we're swapping over the best we can. Before I start moving the headlight, it'd be a good time to ask you to subscribe. My analytics currently show that 71.5% of you are not subscribed to my channel, meaning you're missing out on all my latest content. They're meant to be very, very easy. It's just these two bolts. This would have been an ideal job for my electric ratchet. Apparently, it should now just pull out. And it does. Next thing will be to unclip the big plug at the back. There we go. We've got to open this up, take out the motor, put it in the new one, change the bulbs over, fit it back in. So I'm hoping this is going to be an easy job. So left, it says, I've got the instructions. Can't do anything without the instructions. And it says, confirm that the lead won't come off and then turn the auto to left side. Please turn anti-clockwise. Right side, please turn clockwise. So, how the hell are you going to turn that anti-clockwise? Oh, I see. I see. Just pop out like that. Nice. So let's move that one over there. This is the new one. No, it's not. That's the driver's side one, left hand side. First things first is to remove the cling film from around the light, as that's there to protect it. And then it's all about removing the clip that keeps the headlight still while it's in transit. As you can see, this is proving a little bit difficult for a simple mind like mine. So that simply plugs into there, like that, and then get a rubber glove. Gotcha. And that, my friends, is done. So all we need to do, change the bulbs over. So you should never touch the headlight glass, the bulb. Look at that. I've done a thing. Right, that's it. Nice. So now the backing can go on that. Wherever the backing is. Oh yeah. Just like that. So I do not want LED side lights. I've decided I have spare 501 bulbs. And that's what I'm using. Look at that. And then that little plastic cover just needs to go back on. Where did I put it? I'm pretty useless at losing stuff, and I'm... There it is. And that is one headlight ready to go back in. Love it. Love it. Oh yeah, look at that. Only all job that simple. And all we do, we'll repeat the process on this side. Oh, and it's out. I'll call that a successful job. So I'll tidy up the back of the van, go and wash my hands, shoot down to the workshop. Hopefully I can talk them into realigning the headlights for me. I'll catch up with you when we get to the workshop.
This one's a bit low and a bit too. Why are you laughing? You just can't get off face when you're laughing at you. Shut up. You just come in here and bother me all the time.
You love it.
Every day.
Every day?
So you come in here and bother me.
You fucking love it.
You shut up. Not on life. You shake that? Раньше ловили. Раньше ловили, раньше ловили. Вот я вообще вам показываю, что мы еще мало ловили, у нас
It done.
What do you think it is? Is it fucking rocket science or something?
Oh, fucking hell, boy. Headlights are all done. Another job ticks off the list. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying the content, please make sure you subscribe. I'm currently trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm at 906 on my last check, so we're getting there, but I've still got a little way to go. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you know when all my new videos are coming out.